China's most sophisticated aircraft and missiles are born in these deft hands. Pan Yuhua works as a technician at China Electronic Technology Group Corporation. Her institute is developing the new generation of Beidou satellites, a task which requires an intricate touch. In this case, she has to solder exactly 1,144 contact sockets, or LED cylinders, into a coin-sized electronic board.
那它的难度在哪啊？
压的那一小瞬间要垂直，压的时候使每一个小针，然后在焊高的1/3的地方。
In 2009, the company took on the mission of researching and developing Beidou satellite used to build China's Beidou navigation system. Pan recalls one day they found a glitch in a component but couldn't locate which of the over 1,000 contact sockets had a problem. She was asked to detach all of them, find the broken one, and then solder the others back.
I used to solder dozens or hundreds at most, but that time I had to solder over 1,000 sockets. It was a challenge for me. I didn't know if I could do it.
After sitting still and repeating the same movement for over 4 hours, the grueling task was finally done.
I was surprised. I could barely see any difference with the original one.
Today, Pan makes light work of it, completing the same task within 2 hours. Even after 20 years in the job, her colleagues say she's always trying to perfect her skills.
She asked me if there were more difficult boards for her to work on. I was moved. I admire her for wanting to learn more when she is already so good at it.
During breaks, Pan will help her students practice by placing coins into a full glass of water without having any spill over. Pan's record is 45 coins, and there's always room for improvement.
At first, I didn't understand. I thought I was doing good. Why ask me to do it over and over again?
Pan says she can understand her students because she used to think just like them when she first started. But one day she was assigned to repair the function module of military planes. That's when she felt the true weight of her responsibilities.
I feel very proud when I see people are actually using and controlling the things that I made. I have to be stricter to myself because the safety of those soldiers is in our hands.
During the weekends, Pan likes to visit the Embroidery Museum. A small piece of embroidery will need over 100,000 stitches and a year to complete. Pan's grandmother was an expert embroiderer, who often reminded her to always be persistent and thorough, values which Pan will continue to put to good use for China's most cutting-edge tech projects.